What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Today we're going to be just unboxing the Series 5 44mm version of this. Now this is in space gray aluminum case and the black sport band edition of that. I did put this orange post-it here to cover the serial for obvious reasons, and let's get into the unboxing. So, unboxing, you have this flap right here. I'm just gonna pull that and rip that off. And then what you do is you take this and then open this up. Okay, and right here, there you have it. So when you open up the box, you notice that there are two separate boxes. There's this one, which has the watch, as you can tell from the picture. And then there's a separate box that contains the sport band. Now let's start with that first. So we open it up somewhere, right here. And then we pull this out, greeted by more Apple Watch logos. And then you're greeted by this. So what's cool about this is that they give you two sizes for the band. So depending on how big your arm is, so my arm is pretty big, I'm gonna be using the longer one, but if you have a smaller arm, and you can just use the smaller one. This stays the same really, because what matters is the actual band that wraps around the watch, but in this part, it's just gonna stay the same. So we're gonna be using the larger one. So let's do that. Take that out. There we go. Put that to the side. Now time for the main event. And there you go. Now, I already have an Apple Watch Series 3. Not, of course, the 5. Now I have the 5. But in the Series 3, they didn't have this. So with this, they include this cover. I have it zoomed in for you. But they include this cover, and in the back, it even says 44mm. And we just slide this out. Very nice cover, by the way, honestly. I mean, very soft. I mean, I don't know if you guys are getting this on camera, but really nice cover. And then here you have the instruction manual on how to turn it on. So pretty much just telling you that you open the box and then you turn on the power button and it turns on. And then it explains to you the different functions of these side buttons right here. So these side buttons are just telling you how it works between the power button and the switch. And then right here, you have the magnetic circle, the way it was, and you have the wall port charger. So let's unbox that. It's not coming out. Pretty much it's the same concept with any other Apple product. You just connect the USB in the wall port and check out underneath the Apple Watch. So this rear part is, I can already tell it's more advanced than the Series 3, because this circular part in the back just looks a lot more different than the Series 3. In the coming video, we're going to be doing a comparison video between the Series 3 and the Series 5 to let you know if it's worth it for you to pay the extra $1 or $2. At this point, it's a couple $100 difference, and to see if it's worth it for you. But the charger, as it always has been, is magnetic. So yeah. Okay, there you have it. This was the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5. We hope that you did enjoy it. We're going to be doing the review on it. I'm also going to be showing you cool tips and tricks with the watch and another video as well. So if you did enjoy this video, give us a like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, concerns, leave it in the comments section below and I'll get to it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.